everyone, my name is Ms. Whitcomb, and I'll be your piano teacher for this season's STEAM Saturday Piano Time. I'm making this video to help you understand how to set up the computer for your child so that you'll be able to have a great piano class. Let's get started. In an ideal setting, you should have a large and nice and clear space for your student to work on. This could be like a coffee table or a large desk. Next, place your piano on the table. Yours is a lot smaller than mine, so you shouldn't have too much trouble doing this, but make sure it's level and that when you get down to play it, you won't knock it down. Lastly, set up your computer or device on the table. You should have room for both your piano and the computer on your set. When you sit at the piano, you should be able to easily touch the keys and be able to see the camera. Don't forget about your music and the fun goodies I've made you for STEAM Saturday. When you're using your music, put your music right in front of the piano, and you can put it on the table so you'll be able to see and play at the same time. You can also try using a folder or a magazine to hold up the music. With that in place, you should be able to put the music right up front and it should stay. When you are sitting for piano class, I as the instructor should be able to see both your piano keys and your child's face and hands so that I can best help them learn to play. This will allow me to give them feedback on their position, on which notes they're playing in the right way, and help them orient themselves on screen. Now that we have our music properly set up for STEAM piano and we have our piano ready to play, there's one more thing you need. If you can, please bring a pen or pencil to class. This will help us write in the notes on our worksheets that we have provided, and it will help us have an easier time reading some of the notes on our sheet music. I hope this tutorial helped you figure out how to set your child up for success in STEAM piano. Have a nice evening.